afternoon. This is Chris Brecher with the Simpler Stocks free video from March 16th, 2017. Just to let you know, ES is up 1550, but I'm really proud of something in here. On Simpler Stocks Gold, I got on before the Fed and said, look what I posted on StockTwits. I got on, but where everybody had more than enough chance. I have 41,000 followers. Look at the idea I had at 108. Somebody loading up on the 22 calls before the Fed meeting. That was at 108. Those calls were about 25 cents. Go and see where the GDX calls are on the close. That's right, they're $1. Look at this, 64,000 of those trade. Those are the type of things I try to show on Simpler Stocks. You might say, but that's options. The options precede price. All the time I show them unusual option activity. So just keep that in mind. Here's another one for you. See, guess? Down 10% prior to after earnings. See these puts? See how there were hardly any calls and a lot of puts? We combine put activity. We combine the chart having a lot of overhead resistance. And we were buying the 13 puts at $1.10. Right now they're $2.20 in the money. We were buying these between $1.05 and $1.10. In fact, if you go in here and you go to time and sales, and you only go to the 13 puts, this is pretty cool, I think. And I want you to go in chronological order. See all those? See the 1, the 3, the 1, the 10, the 5. These are all clients. We were all buying these puts today in the last 15 minutes. We probably bought about 50 of them. That's $5,000 that people made in there. So just keep that in mind that we go over option activity to help with the tell of the direction of the stock. I'm very excited about that. So to get back to it in here, ES is up 15, NASDAQ up 30, Russell up 1850. We had the bonds soaring up a 115 today. Nice little short squeeze in there. Industrials up 112 and the transports up 106. A lot of the transports, bad news in UAL prior to the opening. The stock was getting pummeled yesterday. Somebody already knew about the news, and that was it. Stock went straight up from there. You got gold up 16. Like I said, we saw the unusual action activity in the GDX. That told you everything. HYG, which is the high yield bonds, having a great day. That always helps. Dollar getting whacked down over 1. Advanced decline strong all day. The reason it was strong is not only were a lot of the stocks you watched strong, but also the interest rate sensitive stocks were strong because of a strong bond market. When the bond market has fell apart over the last couple of weeks, we had days when the ESs were up 15 and the advanced decline was negative because you had so many interest rate sensitive stocks acting poorly. Today you had the UVXY down $1.40, Nikkei down, DE down, China down fractionally. So to let you know in here, we're going to go over a lot of different ideas on the Simpler Stocks Premium, but all I know on the ESs is they're now overbought on an hourly. We go over all the time in our learning series of when overbought matters. We have all sorts of learnings videos that are free. In fact, I just got off of doing one. So in your subscription, the 7-day, 30-day trial, you get me, whether you like it or not, between 9 and 10 in the morning. Premium video, much more in depth than what you're hearing now. And the next thing is, and I'm proud of this, the email alerts. I put out in the morning at least 6 stock trades, 6 index charts. And I usually mention the unusual option activity on the video. What I'm proud of is this. Before the opening, I'm hoping I shared it with everybody on the chat. scanning for Russell stocks. We thought the Russell was oversold, so I showed a bull scan for Russell stocks, and they all worked. But the other thing we did today is we had a meetup. We have a whole 6-part, 20 minute to hour long session on feel. Today was all about intraday relative strength and weakness. We've had to overcome the fear of missing out. All of these are free with your subscription. They then go into this meetup where all of these are free. They're not $99 a pop like other sites. So I hope you can take us up on our $7 30-day trial. Have a great night. I'm really excited about some of the trades we had today. So have a great night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.